Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be doing a haul from my local thrift store. So some of this stuff I picked up and some of it my mom picked up. And it's so difficult when you're trying to tell somebody else what you're looking for. Say for instance, like something like this. Just a little sleeper, which is super cute, but it's just a thin little sleeper, which of course we have so many from Holden already because Holden was born in May. So a lot of his like 0 to 3 month stuff is spring and summer. And this baby's due the end of November. So we need more, you know, winter items. So this is just a thin little sleeper, which we already have so many of. And also it's snaps, which I typically don't like. I prefer zippers because they're a heck of a lot easier. So like stuff like that, it's just so hard when you're trying to get somebody else to pick stuff up for you, for them to know exactly what you're looking for. But she did a really good job with a lot of the items. And then I went back the other day and I got some more as well. The reason why she picked these up is because the town that she lives in has this particular store, and the closest one that I am to it is an hour away. So when I went back, when I ended up going for other stuff, I went and stopped there, but they were having a huge sale on, so she asked me if I wanted her to stop and pick some stuff up, and I said yes. So the sale that they were having was 50% off of anything in the store. So we got all of these clothes that you guys see here for very cheap, under $50 for all this stuff. So first I'm going to go through and I will show you the items that we got for Holden, which is my 3.5-year-old, and he is a big boy. Like he's 3.5 and he's already in like size 5X, sometimes even 6. So we needed to shop ahead for him. So a lot of this stuff is like size 8, size 7. A lot of this stuff he might not be able to wear till next year. But yeah, so let's go through that first. So first of all, my mom picked up this little hoodie and just says Hockey Day on it. And it's just a plain black hoodie. So regularly marked at $1.99. She got it for 99 cents with the 50% off. And it's a size medium, which was it doesn't say size 6 or anything like that, just a size medium. So, but that's for 99 cents. I mean, you can't go wrong with that. And then what I really needed for him was pajamas. So we got some new pajamas. A lot of these look brand new. There's one that has tags on them, but we got these Cars pajamas with Lightning McQueen. They look brand new. Like there's no tags on them, but they're in such great condition. They were marked at $6.99, so she got them for $3.50 for that set of pajamas, which is awesome. Next are a set of pajamas, which is in a size 8. This is the Kirkland brand from Costco. They're brand new. They have tags still attached, never worn. They are marked at $6.99. So again, she got them for $3.50. And then the last pair of pajamas are from the brand Peckle, and these are size 7, 8, and they're just like a little hockey guy on them. And these are a little bit more like warm. They're a little bit more the fleece kind of material. And these ones were marked at $5.99, so she got them for $3. Like that is insane. You guys should definitely check out your local thrift stores because you can get crazy deals there. Like I said, this pajama set has never even been worn. There's tags still attached from the store, so you can get amazing deals. And then we ended up getting a bunch of shirts for him. So this shirt is from Oshkosh, and it is a size 8. It was marked at $4.99, so she got it for $2.50. And it's just a little diver guy. I apologize if you guys can hear Holden in the background. And then we got this t-shirt, which is a Ninja Turtles t-shirt, and marked at $3.99, got it for $2. Next we have a Legos t-shirt. So this is Heroes with Batitude, and this was marked at $3.99. She got it for $2. And then just another little t-shirt for $2.49. It was marked, so she got it for $1.25, just from Puerto Vallarta, Mexico. And then we got this little Paw Patrol shirt, which I believe looks to me like it's probably a pajama shirt and we're just missing the bottoms. But it was marked at $3.99, so she got it for $2. And then this little orange t-shirt that has a car on it. It says all muscle, marked at $3.99. Once again, got it for $2. And then we got this NASA shirt. It has a bunch of different NASA badges on it. $3.99. Bought it for $2. You guys, how cute is this? Little button-up plaid shirt. It was marked at $5.99, so she got it for $3. And then the last shirt for Holden that we got is this long sleeve shirt. It's a Star Wars shirt marked at $6.99. We got it for $3. And then I found these robes. I've actually been looking for robes for Holden since last winter. I wanted to get him one. They're so expensive to buy robes for kids. It's insane. They're like $25, $30 for a robe. So I got him two. I got him this little buffalo check pattern, which is my favorite. And it was marked at $4.99. Got it for $2.50. So cute. And then this little frog one, which looks brand new, our little dragon. There's a little dragon on the hood. It's green, super cute. It's got the little pockets, little hand pockets, and it was marked at $6.99. Got it for $3.50, and it looks brand new. This one is so soft. This one is definitely a little bit more worn, but I just love the pattern of it, and for that price, why not? So that is the stuff that we got for Holden. So next is all of the items that we got for our new baby, which is going to be arriving at the end of November. And what they do at the store that I shop at is it's like a grab bag for everything that's like 2 years old and under. It's like a grab bag. So you choose what size of bag that you want and you just fill up a bag with whatever they have in the bins. So I think we got the large bag, so it was, I believe, $9.99, but then it was half off of that. So we got all of these baby clothes for $5. So first of all, I got these little overalls. Like, how cute are these, you guys? Oh my gosh, they're the Oshkosh brand, and I believe they are a size 12 months. Yeah, so 12 months. So sweet. Love those. And then I got also these little gray jeans. Oh my gosh, and these are also 12 months. And this is from Joe Fresh brand, so this is from Superstore. And then I got this little buffalo check sweater. So cute. This is 6 months and just has a little badge here. It says Awesome Squad on it. We got some little Baby Bum brand, just some little sweats. And then we got these little Pooh Bear pants that are so cute. It's got a little Pooh Bear's face on it, and it's got little honeybees that say Pooh on it. You guys probably can't see. No, you probably can't see that close. It's very small. Then we got this little sweater, 0 to 3 months. So sweet. And we got some newborn hats, and this one comes with a pair of mittens inside. Next, we picked up this little penguin onesie. This is like the fleece material, so it's very nice and warm. And then these next two things are more of like outdoor items, I guess, like when you're going outside. I mean, I'm in Canada, so we get some very cold weather. But this is a 6 to 9 months, and I thought it'd be perfect for the winter time. It's a little snowman, and it's very, very soft and fuzzy, very, very warm. And then we also got this little, looks like a little bunny rabbit. It's got some ears attached to it. This is extremely soft, you guys. I wish you could feel this through. It's like a baby blanket. And it's got a little pom-pom on the bottom too. So super cute. This one doesn't actually have a size on it, but I would say, I don't know, probably 6 to 9 months. And then we have this, like I showed you guys, this brand is Little Light. I've never heard of that brand before. It says welcome to the world, and it's just this little sleeper with the buttons, and another one here with a little rhino on it. And this one's more of like a sleeping bag sort of, but it's open at the bottom. Should make for easy changing. And then I got this cute little sleeper. It's just a zip up, and it has a whole bunch of different fruits and vegetables all over it. Super cute. And then we got this little one that says Arctic Polar Expedition 1967. And then this little guy that says somebody loves me. And finally, we got these little, it says ho 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 on it, and it's got little like Santa happy faces. And this is size 3 to 6 months. So all of these baby clothes picked up for basically $5. That is absolutely insane. All of this stuff was under $50 for everything. So we definitely got really good deals. Usually it's once a month that this store comes out with their 50% off sales. So when they do, it's definitely a good time to go and check and stock it up. But anyways, you guys, that is it for my little haul today. I just wanted to show you guys what I picked up for Holden and for our new baby that's due to arrive here in the next couple of months. And yeah, and just encourage you to go out and do some thrift shopping because you can save yourself a ton of money. Anyways, you guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Let me know in the comments below if you did. I hope you're having an awesome day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.